Lover, listen to me, darling.
Listen to me.
Girl, me don't want to see another mood. I'm up on my life, baby. Don't worry about that now. Yeah, but a normal something that, baby.
I said to Bush before we let her understand? Shana, I got the one like a sheep up from paradise. She spread out the feel things that don't look at me know the boy them can spoil us, yeah? When them dead and them said to me, say, look, and I said, nothing sharp man, say everything go bad man. Shana, me never did ask nobody.
But sis. Me come look for you, yeah? After you see one celebrity sister all long. And me come look for you, girl. Are you trouble? You know about sister. All your man said to you say sometime. You don't need to run or left me. So why you run or left me and me and you go there? Why you want to leave me then? But the one I will go through things, sister. I don't need trouble here. Yeah, but them do me things too. But listen, sis. Oh God, girl.
What do you man?
Love that lover. Lover. The one I was too bad and turbo. I don't know. I'm glad I accept some turbo awful. So when somebody be turbo back to your lover, but lover, you go like you're saying. Stop it, man, cause I you say you trouble me with you upon my WhatsApp. The one I was different. We got but the one I was awful. Lover, you remember when you messaged me upon my WhatsApp and my trouble me calm down, Queenie. You trouble me and I said, sis, remember you're awful and terrible more than me. It's just because you know the internet and people. Allow me to tell you, your sister trouble you go and suffer. I should have beat up your me and I would have beat up your out there.
You know me?
Jesus Christ.
You know me?
Probably. Probably free. Listen, the one I come out I see your mother. The one I come out I see your mother. Me I know.
You know what? Then I go to them place if you not come here. If you not come here, me not go to them place.
Because
black sheep. I'm telling when you I say my auntie are number one in my life.
Why? So because all of this dead. If you never carry up there. No, but that no. Me don't know what do we stop for. You know say if that me I drive more to stop. But first me still do a pull up a while ago. Me just saw my no, me never want to stop. After she walk left me. Really? You know how much mile me drive come here? And take plane come here boy.
Like you come over here. When me ready, me pack my bag and pack anything when me want and find Portmore BJ.
And then I shouldn't know your badness. I when you come in too long.
You tell on this. Me I want to say me love them and them no love me. Me no love nobody for what they can give me.
That's why you have to love yourself, because if you feel so weird.
Me I tell you, my opinion I think some big mic, you them big mic.
Can't on this, man. Can't on this. Alright, God, be a set me in a pass. Watch out. Ooh, the more I'm older, the sweeter me. You know me, I want sweet girl.
You me tell you.
It's not money issue that will cost over. That will cost over bad fountain.
Please. Me delete out of my head and come here and say it's done up this already. I have to send up to nobody. You understand?
Love baby girl, sis, darling. Buy your queen to see me again. I not look for you. By the time she cuss, you ain't gonna come bad me up on WhatsApp. I know me there and she not pay me no mind.
Go yeah, take massage and a place where you come 24/7.
Leave the girl, make the girl take massage. I want to your girl. Go and leave. Love my sister, man. I leave the girl alone, man. And go, man. I'm tired of you know, lover.
Me tired of you.
Allah, yeah. You're not tired of your sister.
Because
Today I cuss her and tomorrow I call her and say my sister will go on.
But me tired of her for true though. Cause me come look for her. She not even pick the breadfruit them. Yeah, I go for my father place. And she carry me up there now.
I'm not up on me again.
Don't me here. Oh.
No, me too, but
And me blood.
Mr. When we go down and go buy Mr. Pork, we should have turned back, come pick the breadfruit, them I don't go out, them I go there now, no, yes, I can't find.
My God, but you miserable more than me, man. Yeah, how much?
Go ahead. I'll show you something, you know. You see me? It's easy forgive, you know. You don't know what I say. I only sometimes you tell me you're there for your life, sis. The half have never been told. If the man the in this and tell you something you could have don't accept them and family and something. Yeah.
They're green wall, yeah. Out just some grew up. Yeah, out of my daddy. George, what? Bless up, bless up, bless up. Look on the view. What's I doing? 1 minute, darling. Look, but they keep my 29th birthday out here. Yeah. Alright, may I show them? Them the way down. Nice. Them now go see it. Yeah, I get a picture with them too. Okay. From down here, so I got town. So before I turn Kingston, and I was, yeah, I come baby. I was at country girl. I write down here, so Rachel walk. Right in another fall could here. When Rachel, I 1 year, 1 month she now walk. I'm just carry up and left for my father, put her in a fall could and say, stand up in there. I left her for around 3 days, I'm going to come back. See fall could there? Yeah, that little house there. Let me show them a little country house when I grew up here. I mean, oh no, this is me want to come around there. Make a pass. Go on, go through, baby. Careful. Oh, now fix up. And this is my brother Hernan. Let's go there, let's favor. Come here. No, I'm a tour me. Leave him. Him alright. Him a tour me. Come. Alright, then I said, it's whoa, kugungo tree. Kugungo, very fruitful enough. It's a pranga nut. Jelly. You sit down there, so now you used to have around 200 jelly tree. Them jelly tree them used to climb. So some little house how I grew up in, this one. So we look a bathroom there. Outside bathroom, that's a bed, This is my house. See that? Yeah. You know how much years this house is there? Years. Years, little and Talawa. Yeah. Right, yes, sir. But left right, so go town. Then I got. Right, yes, I'm a girl, my love. And then I have my mother part of seafood now. That is a different side now. This is my father's side. My father teeth from my mother. See, pretty see? Yeah. I see Tyler there. Yes. Now there might be a new house. That was the house. You know how much I we grew up in another little house there? how much I grew up in that? How many of us? And we get with ton cornmeal and chicken back. Whoa! Yeah, fuck. Nothing fears me in a life. Been through the worst and back and I'm up the same way. Like ever. Oh, you're so scary. Come on, look where you're tour guide. Come with auntie. Play secret. Country girl Queenie. Yes. So him say walk in that grass. You walk in that track, you slide. So my sister, she there in Ghana in a viral. I did send for her. Bad girl, you know. But she humble. Eh?
That man come a while ago, you know, after the picture, he sent dreams, so I look a boy get shocked up. They say, you know what, I don't want him to go do it, and I have to very good at it. I called him a while ago.
Say aye. So my sister, yeah, whole heap of them, this is one more. 17 put them a papa get, you know. So that's a father side. My son, may I go away now?